Okay, we are live. Let's play some music. Lo-fi music chill. There are playlists, so which one? I think we would want to have Indian chill. I don't know how it is. Oh no. Laid back lo-fi. I think this is better. I don't need the sound from here. I think it's good. It's good, yeah. Yes, this is good. I think the sound quality is a little bit more. Perfect. Now we will go and see how many are here. Let's go. Are we on the right? Yes, we are on the right one. Pop out the chat. Today is what? Today is Thursday, right? So hoping to get few users. Okay, I think we are good. Awesome. What's happening? I'm waiting for a few people to join in because we have okay. Meanwhile, I'm just checking what's happening with the stream. And is it set up properly? It's working fine, right? The audio is fine too. Okay. Hey Varun. Hi man. How are you doing? What is happening? Since day before yesterday, the whole world is now different. It feels different to me. Whenever I'm opening Twitter, I'm getting over anxious. Is it happening to anybody else? So this is what I'm doing today. Like I'm just exploring Twitter and figuring out a couple of ideas. And hey Blinken, welcome. Hey, I'm digging the hat. Oh yeah. Yeah, I thought let's change a look a little bit today. I've been working since a long time today. So it's been almost 8 hours. I've been sitting here in this table on my desk, and yeah, today was a very busy day. I was just working the whole day. Okay, so what I'm thinking today is because I want to come up with some good ideas, and this stream for like 40-45 minutes I'm going to just talk about a couple of ideas, and then later on I'll filter out which one I want to work on. And maybe if some one of you are interested, you can also work on the ideas which we can brainstorm together. And the way I'm thinking of doing this session is in a way like I'll browse through Twitter, we'll see what interests me and how I can come up with the idea about that. And then if you guys are interested, I'm talking about like web app ideas, mobile app ideas. So this is like an idea, ChatGPT wrapper idea stream. We can call it that. So the thing which I'm going to do is I'll be talking to GPT 4.5 as it will be my journal. So I'll write what I'm thinking of this idea and it just keeps note of it. So later on we can just go back. So we'll just give a very basic idea about what we are going to talk about, right? So one thing which I was just thinking before joining this stream is an app. This is specifically I'm thinking to make comics. I was talking about this with my others as well, and I thought, like for example, if I invite my friend or my brother on this app, like I send an invite, we both are there, and it's a chat interface. We are just talking about some story, like hey, what happens, like this happens, that happens. So we both are like brainstorming together, and in the end we say to the app, hey, just now make an comic out of it, and then the app will generate this comic style image. Yeah, looking for the next big thing. Yes, we are just looking like what we can make. So this is one of the idea. So let's say this to, oh, where is that thing? When I needed it, it's not here. It's not Clack. Super Whisper, where are you? Who closed you, brother? Is it? Okay, it's live. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm thinking of, wait, cancel. No. Okay, so you will be my journal for today. I'll be sharing app ideas with you. Those can be app ideas or those can be web app ideas, and you will figure out the core features of that to make an MVP and test it out. So your role is get what I'm saying, just figure it out what the core feature can be, and just write down the couple of features and log it as a journal, as an entry, and we'll just keep doing it for multiple apps as we go in this string. Okay, go in this string, not a string, it's a stream. Abhilash Codes, can you rate my portfolio? I recently made, please. Abhilash, sure, you can share it on our Discord channel. If like people can look at it, I can also look at it. Like a storyboard type app for comics. I get it. Yes, exactly, Blinking Codes. Come up with the storyboard for the comic and give instructions to the AI to generate it. Exactly. So it's like not everything will AI will do. AI is good at generating comic strips and images. We as humans can be like the guiding people, because if two people are brainstorming, like we are just talking about a story, and we can come up with a really good story, and then we can just guide the app to make it for us. We can later on add features like you can change the image of the characters, you can give your own character images, your own images or reference images. So there can be more features, but in a basic MVP, I'm thinking of just creating comics, because I was sharing these comics with my friends and they all loved it. Like I shared like 5-6 comics. I'm gonna share most of these comics in my Instagram as well, as I'm going on this journey soon. So we'll do it. Okay, let's share idea number 1. Okay, so my idea number 1 is a mobile app where I can invite someone. We both can have a chat on that app. It's kind of a chat interface. And once we are done, we are mostly talking about a story. So let's say like my friend is talking about the story from his side. I'm talking about the story. Hey, this happens, then this happened, then this happened. And in the end, the app summarizes the whole story using AI. And then once we have like okay with the story, we finalize it. We say, okay, done, perfect, make a comic. And then the app will generate a comic strip from that story. So this is the app idea. I got one idea in my brain. I don't know how it is. Sure, Varun, share it. Like we can write it down. Now again, guys, if you think your idea is very valuable, you do not want to share it with the world, it's okay. It's completely understood. I do not think my ideas or even like any idea is worth like keeping it as a secret. I feel like whoever makes it better, it's the benefit of the humanity, Chat to comic app idea, brief description, core MVP, text suggestion. No, I don't need text suggestion. So maybe I can tell it. Do not give tech stack suggestions, not even any implementation suggestions. Just stick to idea and feature as a product leader of the project, not engineer. I think he needs this. He needs this check. Understood. Okay, perfect. Create comic and stories. Yeah, do share, Varun. Is it just that? Create comic and stories? So this is chat to comic mobile app, brief idea, an app where two people collaboratively create stories through a conversation chat. Now, while talking about it, I'm thinking like, what if I have noticed like there are these memes or these reels, like where people share their screenshot of their chat, which is in itself is funny. So what if you share this screenshot of your real conversations, and this app will make it into a comic strip? So that can become like a much better, UI about like your chat. So this is number 1 idea. Now coming to the second idea, we will go through what people are cooking here. So I mean, I like this idea. This I have already loved initially, but I think this is already oversaturated, like converting people into different formats, which is again very simple idea, but I don't think like you will see a lot of apps doing this, exactly this. And you can make auto agent more quality with this model too. Yes, that's in the plan. So auto AI Reels is currently on hold as per the updates because I am currently stuck on one issue in there, and I need that dedicated time. And I'm putting up most of my time on this new project which I'm currently working on. Even like the Memathon marketing is paused because of that, and this all is happening because I have to travel next week, so I want to wrap up the core project. So I will not have much time. I want to make sure I do not like make my team wait for some stuff from my side. Meanwhile, I'll be working on my own things while I will be traveling. Okay, what else? This could be a good idea, like a game sprite generator. But again, this cannot be a mobile app. I don't think a mobile app would be a right choice for this. It could be a web app. Web app is a better choice for this thing. So meme we have already there. What else? What else? So I mean, apart from this, I'm really struggling to think of other app ideas. What? Because making a Ghibli app, this is so massy product now. People will be making hundreds of apps, and it will be huge competition. So we do not really want to make that. Mohammad Imran, can you check if ChatGPT 4o can create clip art like one character but different hairstyles? Characters should be consistent. I think it can. It can. You want? I can try it here. So what do you say? Make a clip art image of what? A character in a sticker sheet style with different emotions and styles with different hairs as well, but same character, right? Let's see. Hey, happy life. How are you doing, man? We are just talking about app ideas, what we can make. So we are just exploring what are the type of apps we can make with this new 4o model, because there is no limit now. People are making crazy stuff, and that's what I'm just exploring. This is the kind of thing which is so crazy in this. You give an image and it just transforms it into amazing. This, especially to image generation or just an app in general. Yeah, I'm thinking which uses GPT 4o image gen, specifically GPT 4o image gen. Shubham, yo, hey Shubham, how are you doing, man? Meanwhile, it's creating. What else? What other app can we make? Varun, what a match it's going on. I almost forgot about the live. Oh, IPLs are going on. Not a big fan of. Okay, so this is what it created. But is the face consistent? Kind of, if you do not change the hair. So Mohammed, you are saying something like that, right? Do we already have Chat 4o API? I think yes, they have released it. Any app idea that we can build on this for SaaS? Adit, we are just exploring those. Today we are just exploring ChatGPT 4o image gen ideas. One of the idea which I have already written here, chat to comic mobile app. Another, I am still thinking. I'm looking at exploring Twitter, what people are doing with it. I mean, even icons can be generated very well with it. But the thing is, I'm thinking in a way, because we just don't need any app which just takes some inputs, gives the image. It's just prompt app. I don't want a prompt app. I want it should have some value, like in the comic chat app, right? You are giving a value of two people conversing first, and then it's converting it into an image. Similarly, I want something happening before, which is the USP of the app, to convert an image, not just a prompt app. Someone on X already made a Ghibli image gen website. Yes, I have seen, like, not just one. I saw like, I think 5 or 6 projects, and people are like buying the domain right and left on Twitter. I saw someone is buying GhibliImagify.com. Someone is buying Ghibli Studio Imagegen.com. So there is a crazy Ghibli Ghibli product market coming out in next one month now. Bro, you checked Photor. Shubham, I checked Photor. So I think it's not that cool. Photor, like, I think Leonardo AI is 100 times better than that. And even ChatGPT 4o is way beyond what Photor can do. So I don't think it needs any much exploration. I'm just exploring Twitter to see what people are building with GPT 4o. What happened to my feed now? So yeah, this is one thing, is like meme making, but meme is already will be too saturated, I guess. Maybe we explore more. GPT image. So I'm liking this as well, like these kind of images which we can create. So professional style headshots for resumes, portfolio, LinkedIn profile. That's a good one, but I mean, that's also a very saturated market at this point. There are a lot of apps which are doing exactly that. And the another thing is we can also do install and relaunch. Okay, let me just show you my ASO research tool, which we can look at. Temporary apps. Let me show you guys one. So this is where I can search for ASO keywords as well. So I'll delete the least ones. So one is Ghibli image. Let's see how much is the search volume here for this keyword. Add keyword. Ghibli image. Create Ghibli image to Ghibli. So these could be the good keywords. Aditya, correct, because user can directly use ChatGPT instead of the app. Now you might think that, but 90% of the users at this point do not even know what ChatGPT is. Like there is a very subset of people who know what ChatGPT is. By 90%, what do I mean is, like, my parents, they don't use ChatGPT. And there are like my friends who do use it, but as a bot, like just send a message and get a reply. They do not use it extensively. So people do not know that you can do all of this in ChatGPT. And this transition will take at least 1 or 2 years when everyone will be using ChatGPT. Meanwhile, this is an opportunity to build some things, some apps on top of it with better UX, better features, more features which ChatGPT will never bring. So yeah, that is the reason I'm like bullish on creating these wrappers on top of these APIs. Do we get this new ChatGPT 4o image generator with $20 plan? Yes, we do. And what's the API cost? I think the API cost, again, I did a very rough research. I think it is $1 for 100 images, something like that. But I still need to check because it works on token pricing, whereas we don't know how much token it's consuming per input and per output. Malik, hey, I have just started web development. Can you give some advice for a beginner in this age of AI? You have just started with web dev. I mean, just start building projects, start publishing as soon as possible. Like your app should be ready within few weeks. Use AI, take help of anything as possible. Images, assets is not a problem as well. So yeah, start building, create at least 4-5 apps. as soon as possible. So this is the only advice. The more you push out, the more you will learn, and do not get into the hell of like learning. There's tutorial hell where people go and just waste a lot of time. Shubham, it has different filters, so I like it, especially for realistic photography. 3, it is too good. Yeah, for realistic photography, I mean, I'm not a big fan of realistic photos from ImageGen. I would like it in a style which I cannot get from anywhere else. Shivanshu, hey Shivanshu, hello. Mularam, hey Mularam, long time man. I got 540 2 days trail user and got 200 plus paid users. It's called management and CRM for sales team. Oh wow, amazing. Congratulations. We have an OG creator here. Wow, Mularam. That's great to know. Rohit, mostly engineers are using ChatGPT. Mostly, yes. Most of the engineers. Even I think not all engineers are using ChatGPT. Shubham, by the way, there was a website for job market where there are graphs and stuff with filters. Do you know the name? I forgot. I don't know. Amit, hi Divyanshu. Hi Amit. How are you doing, man? Rohit, yo, you got that legendary engineer mustache like Theo and Primogen. I think this is how you grow in YouTube. You grow your mustache. Thank you for noticing. Amit, how are you doing today? I'm doing good. I was just busy a lot today since morning. And this time, like I thought, let's spend 40-45 minutes on exploring some good keywords if we can fish out any app. These days, app market is like a fish pond. You have to just bait it, see which ASO keyword is trending, and see if there is like market to build. And if you get some lucky keyword, just start building your app and publish it within a week. So that's what this 45-minute session is. You can think of me as just in a pond of keywords, baiting to see what keyword I can catch. I like this idea. Let's ask ChatGPT to make an image out of it. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT to make an image for this. I really like this. GPT-4o. Okay, so I was just exploring an idea because I am kind of fishing for ASO keywords on keyword market, like using keyword tools. And if I get lucky, I can find a good keyword, which is like catching a fish. So I want to make an image out of it. Can you think of a good prompt which can help me make an image out of this concept? Copy. Where is this? Okay, I crashed ChatGPT. That's amazing. Let's see. Love the analogy. Fishing the ISO keywords, like catching rare fish. There's a super visual, fun idea. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Can you make a cartoon or maybe Ghibli style image of this prompt? I like this idea. Like I told you, which has the most jobs, etc. Sure, I really don't have any idea. Imran, where can I see the ChatGPT image generator API? All I can see the only image inputs, not image generator. I, to be honest, have not been to their platform, but there are people who are building on it. I'm pretty sure. Like I have already seen a couple of apps which are out there, so I'm pretty sure they are not doing it manually. So maybe there is an API. We have to just figure it out. So Ghibli, okay. Let's see this one. Image to Ghibli is high difficulty, which means there is some demand for this one. And this is so new, you have to just capture this market right now. Otherwise the popularity will increase. But I can see there difficulty is high. So that means image to Ghibli is kind of a trendy keyword. The popularity is not increased because it started trending maybe since yesterday. Mularam, how are you? Yes, long time, mostly windsurf, so not able to join stream regularly. Interesting, Mularam. That's very interesting. So this is what we are doing, ASO keywords. I don't like this image. It's not very metaphoric. I don't know what's on the background. This is nice now. AI avatar, free music maker. Yeah, this is what we are doing. We are fishing out some ASO keywords to see which one is has value. So these are all my keywords which I found out. If anybody is interested in making app, so anything which has difficulty of less than, let's reduce the difficulty. So difficulty of less than 50 is considered good, and popularity of more than 25 is considered good. So you mean like this one, like lucid dreaming, dream interpretation, these are really good keywords. So if anybody wants to make an app, and they can make an app out of it, and it will has a higher chance of ranking on App Store. What tool are you using for keyword research? So this is called Astro. I paid for this app long back, and this has helped me a lot, like for my all ASO keyword research. I like this music. It's very interesting. Wow, I like this image too. I like this image when it's created. The background could have been better there with much better metaphor. But yeah, this is what we are doing. No item selected. What? Bro, this app is... so this is what we are doing. We are fishing out keywords. Okay. So image to Ghibli, or I can say chat to story. No. Chat to story. Chat to comic. Make comic book. Let's see how these keywords are doing. What tool is this? This is Astro, guys. Astro. ASTRO. ASO keyword research. So chat to music has... Wait, chat to comic. So there are a couple of keywords which we can find here. Manga tune, comic and manga. Read manga, chat stories. So I think chat stories is a better keyword. We can say chat story. This is how you do the research. Like this is how I do research sometimes. Chat story has this. So chat story has these apps. Now here these apps are already trending with these titles. Whereas I noticed the popularity for this keyword is very less, but difficulty is high. So there might be some keywords which we can find on these apps which can work for us. Can you type it out the app name? By the way, Photor is good for anime style too. Yeah, Shubham, are you getting some referrals from Photor? Because I'm pretty sure, try ChatGPT 4.0, you will forget about any other image gen at this point. Even Photor's founder will be scared at this point because of ChatGPT 4.0. I'm pretty sure about this. It's called Astro ASO. This is the tool which I'm currently using. If anybody of you is willing to purchase it, I can give you my referral. Please do it via my referral, guys. Check out, where is the referral? There was a referral. Wait. Let me get the referral, guys. What happened to the referral about settings? Yes, in the settings, appearance, license, my order, customer, copy. What? Okay, my bad. There is no referral. So yeah, you guys can buy. Akhil. Hey Akhil, how are you doing? Hello, I'm back. What tool is this? This is Astro. I wish I could get referral, but I am unfortunately not getting it. It's okay. Don't use Photor. That would be my advice. Interactive chat stories. What happens next? So what I will do is maybe chat story maker. This is a keyword which I find interesting. And then write a story is something which people are typing a lot in their subtitles. So write a story. Then there is chat story maker. Right, let's do this. Can I give you some app ideas? 100% Akhil. This stream is about like talking about some app ideas using ChatGPT 4.0 image only. Bro, it's free image gen. I will use it. Okay. If it's free, then 100%. Go for it. okay, I searched for a couple of keywords. Create chat story maker. This is weird. These are very, very weak keywords, but I can see these apps which are ranking. Like this has 1500 ratings and the title has chat story maker. All these titles have chat story maker. Then I'm pretty sure these keywords are high ranking because they all are targeting it. Text story maker. So chat story maker and text story maker. Text story maker. Oh, my bad. We have found something. 17 popularity, not bad. Difficulty is very high though. 50 is like the max I can ever go with. And chat story maker, write story, chat video maker, text message, chat video maker. This is what we can check. Chat. Not that great. So yeah, like fishing out a keyword is a very, very big task. Like you have to spend hours, and even after hours, sometimes you do not get anything. For example, if we check what we have got so far, so these are the keywords. And if I rank it out of popularity, you'll see all these are like current keywords, all these low demand keywords here. I think this one is nice. AI tarot is nice. If anybody wants to build a tarot, AI tarot kind of app, it has 16, which is a decent. The difficulty is not that bad as well, but I think competition is kind of fierce. If you check the top 10 apps, only 2 of them, the top 2 have the name in the title and 2 have it in the subtitle. So I mean, obviously you will not be ranking number 1 or number 2 with this keyword, but you can come to this top 10 list. That's for sure. And looking at like all the apps in this category, all of them has, so this one has very least ratings, 7, but others have high. So let's see how long this app was released. So this is how I do research most of the time for my apps. And so we'll see when this app was released. 4 months ago was the last update. There is somewhere we see version history 1 year ago. So yeah, I mean, this guy is not targeting AI tarot. He has a dash. I mean, something is wrong with this app. Otherwise it could have, so it's ranking number 4th, but the ratings are low. So I mean, I'm not very confident on this keyword. I would not make an app on this, because if I'm targeting AI tarot and there is an app on number 4th position with 7 ratings, 1 year launch time, it's a red flag, like orange flag, I would say. Once I've been with Amit, make bedtime stories is a good option to consider building app. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Making bedtime stories. When I started this Auto AI Reels, initial idea was to build an app to make video stories for parents. And this I pitched to some of my friends who are like, they became parent recently and they have small kids. So I pitched to them, they liked it, but they do not think that they would pay for it. And then I had to pivot to some other thing. Like I thought, okay, these guys not gonna pay for it. So it's better just change the direction. And then I moved to other side. Yeah. Audio splitter for karaoke. Audio splitter. Wow. I mean, how to make it? That's the thing. The idea is good, but how to make it? We are talking about the ideas around, GPT-4o image, Gen API, and even the splitting of karaoke. I don't think any AI API is there. Imran, weird. I have been searching Google. I can't find the API to generate the images. Only image generation API they got is OpenAI Playground in DALL-E ones. Not sure. Maybe I'll do the research. I'll let you know in a couple of streams, because I'm definitely going to build an app very soon on this idea. What the fuck is orange flag? Which is not red, which is not green. It's in the middle. Orange, like a signal. Not bad, not good. So image to Ghibli. Again, there is just one app, guys. And if we will see this tomorrow or maybe after a week, I'm 100% sure this keyword will be high ranking, and there will be like 10 other apps which will be ranking for it. But the problem is Ghibli, I think, is a copyright keyword. So most of the titles, if these guys will put, they all will get copyright claims soon. So I would not build on a copyrighted keyword because Apple is very strict on these things, and it can also lead to your account suspension in App Store. So I would not build an app like that. Karaoke. There is an open source audio splitter. Cool. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea. I mean, but yeah, not of my interest. But yeah, you can go ahead and build this app 100%. So what we were looking for, anything. So for example, write a story, right? Write a story has very high difficulty, which means there we can find something. But the problem is Medium is ranking on this keyword. So when Medium is ranking, which has like 146,000 ratings, and that too is ranking at 6th. So I think this category is a no. So I would delete this. Write a story. Nope. I would not ever want to compete on this thing. Chat story maker. So I'm really thinking, because this idea is very solid, and the thing which is stopping me is, so even this one, like mystery story maker. Sometimes I just see the app and see how good they are. If they're really good, then I would not try to enter there. Wow, this guy is here for 5 years. This app is here for 5 years, and it is at 6th position and only 100 ratings. Either he's doing something terribly wrong, or this market is dead. I don't think it's dead, because there are other apps on this category. So Stenva Petrov. Now I will show you another crazy app, crazy website, which I generally use to figure out if so this is the app. So this guy is making less than 5K a month, and most downloaded app is Mystery, which has 1,000 downloads in last month, which is again quite a lot in a month. If you're getting 1,000, that keyword is pushing it, but maybe the app is not that great. That's what I can think of. It's in Russia, I think, Russian app. I mean, when was the last time it got released? It was updated on 2023. So, okay, got it. So this app has not been recommended anywhere in App Store because the developer has not updated it in last 2 years, and it's just lying in the App Store, almost dead. So this is a good place to snatch this place from this guy. So he's ranking at 6th position. Obviously, this app is not being recommended a lot, and compared to other, like above it, all are like 1,000 plus. And let's see on the number one. So sometimes this data also gives you some insights, right? You go here and you see when was the last version updated. 26 March. So you see, this app is doing pretty good. The team is working on it. They are actively updating it, which means there is users who are actively using this app. And this is the idea, what I'm thinking of this GPT-4o app. Instead of like real need to have this logic, you can just have the text written and ask ChatGPT-4o to create an image of it. It will do it. So the making of an app is very easy for this category. Now the thing is how we can rank it, and there comes the SEO research. Like chat story maker is a keyword which we would be targeting here. $23 watching now. Wow, guys, welcome guys. We are looking for some app ideas. I'm open to listening some of your ideas, and I'm open to share what I'm finding out here. So far I have found out like text chat story is a untapped. Is an area which we can explore a little bit with ChatGPT-4o new image gen model. Tell me what you are interested in. I will find some. Akhil, so I'm interested in any app which is, not just a prompt app, like, hey, convert this image to Ghibli image. Not this kind of app. There will be a lot of apps which will come out, but something where you do something in the app. For example, like you chat in the app, and then app will create a story image for you. So we are using ChatGPT 4 image API, which is recently launched, and we want to make app using this API. So come up with an idea where we can make an app with the intuitive feature set, which this API can help with, provide some value. Umesh, I know this website. Interesting, Umesh. You mean Sensor Tower, I'm pretty sure. Rohit, what's a good strategy for indie hackers? Focusing on one app or just launching a random app every Friday? I mean, at this point, launching a new app every Friday is the best strategy at this point, because spending too much time on single app, if you are like completely locked in on that idea and it will hit, which is a very like rare chance an idea will hit. You have to spend a long time once the idea start making money. So it's okay, like make an app, make $10 out of it, and make hundreds of apps. So each app makes $10, which makes like $1,000. This is a good idea at this market, but do not spam it. It's a cautionary warning, because App Store or Play Store, they take spam as very seriously now, and they will just ban your account, so shut down your account. So come up with some good use cases which you feel is lacking on the market, and fill that gap with a good quality app. But yeah, coming up with idea and launching new apps every Friday, to me, feels like a better deal than just spending months on a single app. Now I am going against my own learning. Like I haven't launched any app in last 3 months so far. The last app which I worked on was Memathon. Before that was Autoware Reels. Then there is a Music Gen app. And after that, there are like 3 apps which are currently sitting on my computer. So I'm not pushing a lot in the last 2 months, which I want to update coming in the next coming months. Shubham, bro, I hope you grow. I grow? Okay. Parth, hi Divyanshu, long time. Hey Parth, how are you doing, man? Yes, long time. Where were you? GPT rappers, yes, launch GPT rappers, guys. Happy life. By the way, your audio is going off for a split second sometimes. I don't know what's wrong with this mic. Yesterday even I was watching my stream, and in the middle it was lagging, and I thought something is really, really wrong. Maybe it's this thing which is getting super hot. I don't know. I hope it's fine now. Bro, leaderboard when? Cap IQ. Yeah, we have to work on leaderboard. I think Cap IQ is also paused for now. Guys, what's the update, latest update? Are you guys waiting for me for something? Am I blocking you guys there? Let me know. AI Indian recipe generator, targeting audience in US. Okay, let's see recipe generator. Let's see what this keyword is doing. AI recipe generator. Let's see what this keyword is. How many apps are there? AI recipe generator. So AI recipe generator has very less popularity, but also very high difficulty. So kind of not a great keyword. And also I'm seeing like, so I think we can just tweak the keyword a little bit. So Magic Chef AI recipe generator. This is ChatGPT for cook and meal planner. We can say ChatGPT meal planner. ChatGPT meal planner. Is this keyword good? Let's see. ChatGPT meal planner. No. Meal prep planner AI assistant. Okay, we can see AI meal assistant. Nope, this is worse. A recipe generator. Let's see this one. Let's remove the AI. Recipe generator. Indian recipe maker. Indian recipe generator. Let's see all these keywords, how they are doing. No. All these keywords are like, AI meal assistance is like completely dead. There is no single app on App Store and no search volume on those. And ChatGPT meal planner has some like difficulty, is a little bit difficulty, but there is no search volume. So I don't know. Depending on here, I'm already disappointed with these keywords, so we'll just remove them. So yeah, not a good idea based on these keywords specifically. Maybe we have to tweak what we are making. Busy with work, been coding stuff, working with LLMs, working on some audio transcriptions, thing with Whisper model. Awesome, Parth, you are doing a lot. So you are working on an Android app, right? Your name is Parth Android. Your new look looks dope. Thank you. Shubham, no, I think Varun is working on something. Wow, interesting. I just want to test that app once it's ready. I think you guys have already done an amazing job. I just want to test it now. He's cooking. Nice, we'll wait. Hind, hello, damn, too late today. Hey, welcome, Hind. How are you doing today? Not too late. How much? It's only, okay, 15 minutes remaining. You are late. Yes, Android app. Okay, so you are like working on a Whisper model using like putting it inside the app, local, like smaller version Whisper Lite, or are you using any server side to host it? Happy life. How do these keywords work? I am a complete noob. Please, newbie. Okay, I'm sorry, newbie. Please don't give me the generic answer that GPT can give. This is a good one. Not give me the generic answer. I'll tell you what I know. Okay. So how these keywords work? So if you go to your app store and you start typing, right? Let's say if you type AI recipe, and then iOS will suggest you, like it will give you a drop down, AI recipe maker, AI recipe generator. So they need to rank system, like they have their own search engine, App Store and Play Store. Play Store uses the same Google search engine, but App Store has their own. I am not going to talk about Play Store. I have done a lot of research on Play Store years back, but since 5-6 years I have not on Play Store. I do not care about Play Store. I'm only talking about App Store. So App Store has their own search algorithm and they rank these keywords on top. Now, depending on what people are searching, for example, if you see this keyword, right, song lyric maker. So this is a keyword, this tool which I'm using, it is directly connected to Apple's ad search database. So in ad search, they need to give you some keywords, what is the popularity and difficulty, because based on that your bidding will be made. Like for example, if I'm running an ad on some keyword, like I want to make sure like whenever someone searches on song lyric maker, I want my app to be on the top because I'm paying for it, and Apple will show a sponsored kind of link, like this is sponsored for this keyword. And as a publisher of an app, I have to bid for those keywords, and the bid depends on how popular or how difficult on ranking on that keyword is. So that's a dynamic pricing. So this tool, what it does is it goes into that ad search and just uses their API and just shows the difficulty and popularity, which gives you a pretty basic idea. Like, okay, song lyric maker has a high popularity because the pricing is high. And so that means this keyword is being used a lot on the app store. People are searching for these keywords. And there is like, if your app starts ranking on this keyword, it will have more visibility because people are searching for this kind of stuff, this exact keyword. So this is how basically keyword research works. I hope this was not so generic. I tried to make it not generic. Parth Android will use a server only running model. An app on phone is quite tough. Yeah, that's what, like, I'm interested to see when these models become so easy that they can just run on the app. Like for example, in my Mac, this Whisper, hey Whisper. No, not Whisper. This is Super Whisper. So I think it's using a local LLM on my machine. This does not go to server. This just happens locally on my system. So this whole transcription happened on my system. Shubham, he auto-corrected newbie to no. Imran, it's not available as of now. This is what they say. Developers will soon be able to generate images with GPT-4o via the API, with access rolling out in the next few weeks. Then how are these people making these Ghibli image generators? I just saw, like, there are, I think, 5 or 6 products which are giving you Ghibli images. This is interesting. Like YouTube suggestions. Exactly, it's like YouTube suggestions. So for YouTube also, you can figure out which keywords people are looking for. And if you want a hint, day in a life of developer, this keyword is like pretty high ranking. That's why I've made a couple of initial my videos. So I didn't do any research. I just made day in my life, and then I found out, okay, this keyword is like people are searching for this. And then I made like a couple of more videos, and I started to get better views compared to my previous videos. So if anybody wants to make a video on developer's life. You will get some views. Bro is too loyal to iOS. Now I am. Now I am, yes. Oh, by the way, today I got like 2 yearly subscribers for my auto reels. I was so happy. Thanks for that. I learned something new today. You're welcome, man. I hope this helps. Umesh, but marketing is the main in these apps, especially creating lots of short form content around those apps. Yeah, this is what I want to try. Like that's the whole reason I'm working and spending time on post handle. I want to make a, engine easily and just publish it. So to see how I can leverage this short form economy, short form content economy. I haven't tapped this economy yet. Can you tell me one thing? How do I code in 3-4 hours? Because college from 8 to 4. How do I code in 3-4 hours? I mean, you can code in just 1 hour. Just focus on one thing. And I know you have ADHD like me. So yeah, just focus on one thing. Just everything. Open your this cursor or windsurf or just a VS Code with any extension. Just code. Models running locally will comically reduce the costs. Exactly. I mean, in the next couple of years, there will be no LLM servers. Everything will be running on your local machines. I'm pretty sure about that. Like you will only be calling servers for very, very expensive API calls. All creative LLMs, they will be part of your distilled version, which will be on your local device. Even browsers will have their own LLMs. Umesh, bro, if you put live chat on the screen, it looks cool. If you put live chat on the screen, I have my live chat on the screen. I think it might not be visible, but it's here. I'm looking at it right here. I know the placeholder is very wrong. Like it's on this camera side. That's an old habit. Now I have to change my habit of looking here. What are you saying? Shubham. Okay, Shubham is saying, Shubham, I mean, like just sit and code for 1 hour. That's it. No excuse. Israr, what's this? Israr, we are fishing out some keywords. This is what we are doing. I'll show you. So this is my 41 hour of doing this. I have my hooks on the ASO market and I'm just put keywords to make my next app on. This I've already published. It didn't work out. I think the market was too saturated and everyone was running paid ads. And the AI avatar I have already done. So I don't know how ChatGPT knows. Maybe it knows because I have talked to it a lot about these things. Voice breaks happening too frequently today. Fuck, man. What to do with this thing? Guys, I'm really sorry. Maybe I'll put this mic from tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is this mic stuff. Otherwise, everything works smoothly on my end. Bro, what is ADHD? Attention Deficit Hyper Deficiency? Something like that. ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Yes. So in ADHD, people cannot focus on one task. And I was talking to one of my friends and he said, everyone is on a spectrum of autism to ADHD. Like there is a spectrum. So everybody has this. It depends how much you have. And so I feel like I have a little bit of ADHD myself. It's harder for me to focus on few things. There are my friends who are very focused and I don't think they have that much ADHD that I have. And people with ADHD gets jitters after taking coffee and all. And that happens with me. Like if I take 2 or 3 cups of coffee, I get jittery and too anxious and then I have to just calm down myself. This ADHD is nerfing me so hard. How do you know I have ADHD? But in 1 hour I can't get happy lifetime lapse. By the way, your mic is cooked, so your voice breaking. Oh shit, man. Shit, this is bad. Is it so bad like every time it's happening? Or maybe because I voice. No, it's going out. Yes, I just saw on this bar. Okay, let's keep talking. Let's see when it's breaking. It's not breaking now. It's not breaking now. Nope, 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 nope. So it's not breaking every time. When I'm looking at it, it's not breaking. I don't know when it's breaking. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I have to fix this tomorrow. Hey, I was searching too on ChatGPT. How is the idea of making a live shopping app? Live shopping app sounds interesting. What is the idea? Like you want to make an app which helps user do live shopping, but who will be the person who will be live basically? What's this app though? Oh, this is about this app here. This one, your app deserves more visibility. This is a keyword search app, so it helps you find good keywords. It just gives you popularity and difficulty score. Where is my chat? Here it is. The chat is scrolling at the bottom of the stream for me. Oh yeah, I have added that on the stream. It shows on the bottom, but maybe someone like you guys were mentioning it to be on the screen like this. I'm not sure. I just added it here. Like popular streamers do. Oh, am I a popular streamer? Okay, I'll spend some time to figure out how to show chats on the screen. No, for 1 second only. Okay. Just sorry for that. Just manage it for today. I'll work on it tomorrow. Mic drops happening. Shit. It breaks when you touch mic wires, I think. Is it not breaking now? Because I'm not touching anything for a while now. Just rewatched today's stream. Oh man, this is bad. This mic, I think the days of this mic are over. This is the HyperX. I bought it like 2-3 years back. I think it's done. It's cooked. Or I have a better idea. What if I put the audio from this one? But how much time do we have? Oh, we are almost on time, guys. Okay, just forgive me for today. We'll do better next time. And yeah, I think we will be just leaving in 5 minutes. We couldn't find many keywords today though. But I'm still bullish on this chat to story and this comic making idea. I'll do more research. I'll find like some solid keywords. I need at least one keyword with more than 20 popularity and less than 50 difficulty. That's my benchmark. If I find any such keyword, I'll make it as the title and then find the subtitle keywords as well. So you just need 3 or 4 good keywords, one with which you want to put on your title and some which you want to put on your subtitle. Malik, I saw it on somewhere that on Chinese TikTok, the shopkeepers are live streaming on their account and showing around their shop and trying to sell their products on the app. Oh yes, so I have a story on that. I was working on this company in Thailand, and we were kind of a SaaS platform which helped these live streamers. So this economy of live shopping is booming on Southeast Asia. Like people in South Korea, people in Thailand, people in Japan, and people in Indonesia, they are all buying crazy stuff from these live shops. And I've seen there are shops where they hire like 5-6 models. They are always like 8 hours. They're all mobile. They put out on a tripod and they just keep showing their shop items. And like today I'm selling it at this price. Just buy now, buy in like 50 minutes. And there are 100,000 people live watching them, and they just buy them immediately because they feel like it's a live market where you get huge discounts, and everyone has this FOMO that maybe I'm missing out on bulk. So yeah, this is a good trend, and yeah, I like this idea, but just think about it a little bit more because very big players and huge players are working on this domain because there's huge money. So think of it more clearly. Like you have to either niche down on it if you're working alone to a very specific idea. Otherwise, if it's a very big, to first of all build a solution and then to sell that solution. Time for giveaway this mic. Yeah, I just noticed. Yeah, again there was a drop. This is bad. This is bad. When's the next video? What it's about? Next video is about vibe coding. It's coming this week. 100%. This week vibe coding video coming out. By the way, don't follow me. I'm sad. Follow you where? On Instagram? Time, and I do not want to go with this broken mic more. So again, thank you for joining. I think I had fun. We just got one app idea, but I found a couple of keywords, not that great, but still you found out like my process of finding out ideas and app ideas and figuring out keywords. I hope this was helpful a little bit. We'll be coming live again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a good night, good day. Bye bye.